Number 1. Listed for $7,400 in Pollock, Louisiana. This 1951 Dodge is a solid project car with a clean title. While it needs a fuel pump and starter, it offers a great foundation for restoration. The car features a white exterior with a red interior and a manual transmission, adding to its vintage charm. With its classic design and potential, this Dodge is perfect for enthusiasts looking to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or just starting, this is a great opportunity to own a piece of the 1950s. Number 2. This 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $7,000 in Streetsboro, Ohio, comes with a 360 engine, 7/27 automatic transmission, and 8/84 rear end. While the car runs and drives, it needs a new rear end bearing. It includes extra parts like valve bodies and gears, offering potential for further customization. Some body modifications have already been made, making this vehicle a solid option for a project car or a unique rat rod build. The 1973 Dodge Dart was a popular muscle car known for its durability and performance, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. With its straightforward mechanics and solid frame, this model is still a great candidate for restoration or customization projects, keeping the spirit of classic American muscle cars alive. Number 3. For sale at $4,700 in Canton, Georgia, this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Classic is equipped with a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, floor shifter, and swivel bucket seats. The car comes with 2 sets of wheels, but will need brake work to be fully road ready. It has some rust and is known to be cold-natured, but for restoration enthusiasts, this El Camino offers a solid foundation for a rewarding project. The 1977 El Camino was part of Chevrolet's unique line of car-truck hybrids, offering a balance of utility and classic muscle car styling that remains popular with collectors today. Number 4. This 1974 Chevrolet Caprice Classic sedan, listed for $4,000 in Omaha, Nebraska, runs great but has issues with the passenger doors not opening. It has 95,800 miles on an automatic transmission and features a green exterior with a tan interior. It's an ideal candidate for restoration or customization due to its solid running condition and overall potential. The Caprice Classic, introduced in 1966, became a symbol of full-size American luxury, with models like the 1974 version known for their spacious interiors and smooth ride, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. Number 5. Priced at $2,000 in Lincolnton, North Carolina, this 1980 Ford F100 has 150,000 miles and is a non-running truck that has operated in the past. It features an i6 300 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and needs a brake booster. This solid project vehicle offers great potential for restoration to a classic Ford enthusiast. The Ford F-Series, introduced in 1948, became a staple in American work and utility vehicles, with the F100 models of the late 1970s and early 1980s being known for their durability and straightforward mechanical design. Number 6. Listed for $7,700 in Ellsbury, Missouri, this 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup flatbed is equipped with many new parts, including tires, a battery, an alternator, and front disc brakes. Powered by a 350 automatic engine, it also features power steering, making it a fun vehicle to drive. This classic truck is available for sale or trade, offering great potential for those looking for a reliable vintage pickup. The Chevrolet C10, known for its robust construction and versatility, gained popularity in the 1960s as both a workhorse and a stylish ride, embodying the American spirit of craftsmanship and practicality. Number 7. Available for $6,500 in Athens, Georgia, this 1971 Ford F100 Sport Custom is a Canadian truck equipped with a new Crate 302 engine and a new battery, along with other recent updates. It serves as a reliable daily driver with only minor rust and comes with custom bedpan replacements. The truck features a long bed and an automatic transmission, making it a solid choice for those seeking a dependable vehicle or a project truck. The Ford F100 has been a popular choice since its introduction in 1953, known for its durability and versatility, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 8. For sale at $5,000 in Athens, Texas, this 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sport is a running project car that currently lacks a title. With 200,000 miles, it starts and drives, but will require some restoration to reach its full potential. The vehicle features a green exterior and matching interior, adding to its classic appeal, and making it an interesting option for someone looking to rebuild. The Oldsmobile Cutlass, first introduced in 1961, quickly gained popularity for its stylish design and performance. By 1965, it was known for its muscle car capabilities and comfortable ride, making it a sought-after classic among car enthusiasts. Number 9. Listed for $5,000 in Weatherford, Texas, this 1982 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed features a 6.2-liter diesel engine, dual tanks, and an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives great, showing no dents or scratches, making it a well-maintained classic. The owner is only considering trades for newer trucks, which adds an element of flexibility for potential buyers. The Chevrolet CK series, which includes the 1500 model, has been popular since its introduction in 1960, known for its robust performance and versatility. The 1982 model year was part of the third generation, emphasizing comfort and capability, especially appealing to diesel enthusiasts looking for reliable vintage trucks. Number 10. Priced at $900 in Soddy Daisy, Tennessee, this 1962 Buick LeSabre custom sedan is a solid project car, mostly complete and featuring a powerful 401 engine with 285 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. While it requires new floor pans, this classic car presents a strong candidate for restoration at a bargain price for vintage car enthusiasts. The LeSabre was first introduced in 1959 and became known for its blend of performance and comfort, making it a popular choice in the Buick lineup. The 1962 model continued this tradition with its distinctive styling and robust engineering, ensuring that it remains a sought-after classic for those looking to restore a piece of automotive history.